Hello everyone. So what I have here is a student project made for COVID patients during the COVID crisis. It's essentially a website which gives the logistics or the details regarding the available COVID-19 resources in your location. What you're looking at here is the front end part of that website, right? So we have the list of the resources available that might be useful to a COVID patient. Right, so for example, if we see into oxygen here, we can see the list of the companies or the parties available to sell their oxygen supply and whether they're verified or not. Similarly, we can also see other tabs like hospital bed supply. For example, we can see the list of the colleges or the hospitals that have free beds available, right, and as well whether they're verified or not, right. Similarly, all of the tabs are here like that as well. Right, so necessary information, for example, the ambulance supply, which all companies or parties are available to send their ambulances. Right, so based on that you can make a decision. Patient might make a decision on what supply he needs, what resource he needs based on this. So what you're looking at here is the front end part of the website. Right, so if we go look into the page source, we can see at the end the backend part is called the backend server, which is the server covid.heroku.com. Right, so if you look into that, this is the backend part. We can, for example, if you look into the ambulance section, you can see the list of all the ambulance the parties or the companies who are willing to lend their ambulances. Right, so all the details regarding such companies are given as well. Similarly, if you see for oxygen, as we've seen before, right, so all are available to sell their oxygen supply. Right, all of the details are available in the backend as well. So all the details specified in this backend is then sent to the front end part, right? So that's how this works. So the front end and the back end working together to get this information, and that's about it, guys. So thank you for watching.